What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is SD60 EMD made by Walters. I probably need more specific. It's made still under lifelike after Walters acquired them in 2005. So the model from 2010, and I believe they stopped production 2013, and now I understand why. The construction is great, details, everything so nice. DCC ready, LEDs. However, LEDs really nightmare. I cannot see them when I just plugging in everything. It's just no go. Took me like 3 different approaches how to deal with them. Now I know what I'm doing. It's ready for DCC and potentially with a sound, but there is no speaker. I'm using Railmaster Hobbies, modify that area. Soundtracks, I don't think so. You need to grind a lot. I just have a very good experience with Railmaster Hobby speakers. Those 28 millimeters. Yes, 28 millimeters. Here we go. Here's the second unit. Speaker installed, sealed, and this is my favorite. I don't want to say glue, like a sealer. Microcrystal clear, works great, looks awesome. Also, I got requests to install ditch lights. Original fixture is no go, so I'm using Detail West. Painted, nice fixture, nice lenses, it's good. More videos are coming with detailed explanation about lights and all assembly. Enjoy the show. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.